Let's discuss about relational algebra in DBMS. There are various operations that can be performed on a database to filter out values based on the user's need. As you can see that there are 7 basic operations that are performed on a database. Let us discuss them one by one. As the name suggests, select operator is used to select attributes to perform various operations on it. It is denoted by sigma. Project is used to show the attributes as needed and eliminate the rest. It is denoted by a capital Pi. Union is used to show elements that are not common between relations. It basically eliminates duplicate tuples. It is denoted by union sign. Difference show the elements that are in one relation but not on the other. It is denoted by minus. Intersection shows all the duplicate values between relations. It is denoted by an intersection. Cartesian product, also known as cross product, is basically used to combine two tables and it is denoted by a cross. Rename is used to rename values in a relation. There are other operators that are used to filter the value and join the tables based on various conditions. These operations are called join operations. We will discuss them one by one. Theta join merges table based on conditions of theta. Theta is basically a placeholder for all comparison operators. Thus, it is a general case of a join. It is represented by a theta symbol. When theta is used as an equality operator, it is called equijoin. Normal join neither compares or concatenates the table. Instead, it combines the table if they have at least one common attribute or a column. Both normal join and theta join can be considered as inner join. Outer join or full outer join all the values of participating relations regardless of any condition. Left outer join shows all the value from left relation that are common values in the right relation. If R and S are two relations as shown, then all the values of R that are common in S will be displayed. Right outer join is opposite of left outer join. It shows the value from right relation that are common in left relation. If R and S are relations as shown, all the values of S that are common in R will be displayed.